Hello everyone and a warm welcome. In this video, you will get the solution of the question paper of immunology. Immunology is an important subject which is a part of usually the MSc and BSc microbiology courses, also the part of the BSc and MSc CBZ courses and biochemistry biotechnology course. This is the question paper which has been asked in MSc second semester of microbiology conducted by HNB Garhwal University in the year 2019. The paper carries maximum 60 marks. It has to be attempted in 2 hours. There are 8 questions, out of which 4 questions have to be attempted. All questions that carry equal marks. The question 1 is fill in the blanks. The part 1. B and T cells, they are produced by stem cells that are formed in dash. The answer is bone marrow. You can remember that bone marrow is a primary lymphoid organ. The part 2. Opsonin promotes dash of antigens by binding to them. There can be 2 answers. One answer is the engulfment. Actually, engulfment is a step in the process which is called phagocytosis. The part 3. Dash living microbes with reduced virulence are used for vaccination. Again, there can be 2 answers, both are correct. It can be either attenuated or these can also be called serially passaged. These attenuated or serially passaged, actually these are the bacteria or viruses which have been grown repeatedly in animals or in the cell cultures, and they get reduced virulence, so they can be used as the vaccines to give the protection against number of diseases. The part 4. Dash developed cellular theory of vaccination and explained phagocytosis. Here the name of the scientist who gave this theory and also explained phagocytosis is required. So that name is Matnikov. The part 5. The complement component C3 is cleaved by. Here there can be 2 answers for this question. It can be C3b convertase, or it can be also called C3b BB convertase. The part 6. NK cells secrete dash which enhance the immune response. Here the answer is cytokines. These cytokines can be interferon gamma, they can be TNF factors which are secreted by the NK, the natural killer cells. The part 7. The first immunoglobulin class produced in a primary response to an antigen is. So this is IgM. IgM is the first immunoglobulin which is always produces for the first time in the case of the primary immune response when a pathogen enters or when there is an interaction with an antigen. Later on it is followed by the other immunoglobulins. The second one is IgG. The part 8. The vaccine to dash is only successful preventive anti-tumor vaccine. The answer is the HPV. HPV stands for human papilloma virus, or it can also be called the cervical cancer vaccine. This vaccine is given to the young girls when they have reached the puberty and it gives the protection against a form of cancer, which is the cervical cancer. This is the only vaccine which has been given to prevent the cancer. Now this question has another part, which is the part B. Here it is written, give one word. Actually here one word or one phrase has to be answered. The part 1 is ELISA stands for. So we all know very well that ELISA, the full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. The part 2, identification of specific protein in a complex mixture can be accomplished by the technique. This technique is called Western blot. Part 3, small chemical groups on the antigen molecule that can react with antibody. The answer is epitope. Part 4, BCG is used to protect against tuberculosis. This is a vaccine called Bacilli calmette-guerin given at the birth to the newborns. It gives protection against tuberculosis, which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Part 5, clonal selection occurs when antigen is encountered by. So it can be the antigen is encountered by. That means the antigen, it reacts or it combines with the receptor. So that receptor can be the BCR or it can be the TCR. BCR present on the B lymphocyte, TCR present on the T lymphocyte, or we can also call it as the membrane bound antibody receptor. The part 6, competitive binding of radio-labeled antigen and unlabeled antigen to a high affinity antibody. Actually, this process in which the radio-labeled and the unlabeled antigen compete for binding to a high affinity antibody, this process, it is a diagnostic test which is based on the principle of radio immunoassay. The part 7, a molecule itself not immunogenic but can be made immunogenic by configuration to a suitable carrier. The term is haptens. Next are the questions which are theoretical. These are either the short answer type questions or the long questions. So I'm reading out these questions. Here the explanation is not possible, but if you require an explanation, then I will try my best to give you the material, the reference material or some notes. You can write in the comment section. The question number 2 is, differentiate between the following. Part A, humoral and cell-mediated immunity. It is also called CMI. The part B, radioimmunoassay and chemiluminescence. The part C, eosinophils and basophils. The question number 3, write the principle and application of the following immunodiagnostic techniques. The part A is flow cytometry. The part B is ELISA. The part C is Western blotting. The question number 4, write short notes on the following. The part A, monoclonal antibodies. B, adjuvants. C, hematopoiesis. Question number 5, explain the following. The part A, antibody dependent cell cytotoxicity, also abbreviated as ADCC. The part B, complement activation and its biological consequences. The part C, T cell dependent defense mechanism. Question number 6. Briefly describe the following. The part A is autoimmune diseases. Part B, immune therapy of cancer. The part C, immunotoxins. Question number 7. Describe the structure and function of MHC and HLA system. The question number 8. A. Differentiate between active and passive immunization. B. T cell dependent and T cell independent defense mechanism. So this was the question paper of the subject immunology. Hope it will help in your studies. For further updates, such more videos, keep on liking, sharing, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All the best for your studies.